Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is V, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hair. If you guys don't know already, I have curtain bangs, which is like the side fringe kind of thing, but this is how it looks like when it's just straight, not styled at all, and I never leave it like that because I just don't like how it looks. Yesterday I washed my hair, so I asked you guys on my Instagram. I did a poll. If you guys don't follow me on there already, my Instagram is @LoAsianV, and I asked you guys if you guys would like me to show you guys 5 different or like however many different hairstyles that you can do with curtain bangs, or how I style my hair with curtain bangs. And you guys, a majority of you guys voted to see how I style my hair. So that's how I'm going to show you guys today. I don't spend that much time on my hair. It's just really fast, like quick and go. I like to curl my hair, but recently I've been leaving it straight, and because I've been giving it a break, let's curl it today. My hair's pretty long. It goes all the way down to around my hip area. It takes about 10 minutes to curl, or like a little over that, but still very fast. Alright, so first I'm gonna curl my hair, and I just pin my bangs back like that, and then I split my hair in half, and then I tie it up. And this is how I curl my hair when I want to be quick and get it done fast. After I have it tied into, what are these called? Pigtails? So now we just wait for this to get hot. It's been a couple minutes. This should be heated up enough. So I'm just going to take a section from here. And I don't really care if it's perfect curls. Hold it there for, I don't even count. I just kind of hold it there for whenever I feel like it's good enough. And then I curl the ends. Oh, it's so hot in here, guys. I can't turn on the AC because then it would be too loud. So I could just fast forward this part, but what's the fun in that? This is how I usually like it, just like kind of loose, messy. Looks like you curled it a couple days ago, you know. That's the look I'm trying to aim for. Today, I have quite a bit to do. I'm actually filming basically the whole day today. I've been on Pinterest a lot, and I realized that I want to change my room around. My room setup's getting kind of boring. I've had this for a couple to a few years now. Oops, I almost burned myself. Yeah, so I want to change my room around. So today I'm going to be going to Target and like a bunch of stores, Marshalls, Burlington potentially. And I'm going to be buying furniture, not that much, but a couple pieces of furniture for my room. And I'm going to be redoing my room, so you guys can look forward to a room makeover video sometime next week. I hope there's going to be a surprise in there, because it's not just a normal room makeover. I'm actually going to be getting a roommate. And I'm actually excited about that because it gets kind of lonely in here. So you guys can look forward to seeing my roommate. See, this is like, what, the 4th section that I've done. And we're basically done with this ponytail so far. And that took a couple minutes at most. Yeah, I'm giving myself a budget of $100 because I'm not even balling like that to be able to like just buy a bunch of furniture pieces. Actually, just moving stuff in my room is probably going to take up so much time because I have so much stuff. I have to organize and clean, and it'll be good content for you guys. And that's all that matters. I got a text. Hold on. I cut my hair really short. My hair was about this long in, what, sophomore year? So, 2 years ago. And then I cut it, like, above my shoulder. So I cut it shoulder length. I cut off a good chunk. And then it's grown back, obviously, as you guys can see. But now I'm looking back and I'm like, maybe I want to cut it again. But when I had it cut short, I really miss my long hair. Girls with long hair, you guys feel me on this, because I'm like debating like, oh, I want to cut it because it was nice, easier to maintain, took a lot less time to style. I didn't have to style it, I just left it. And it took like no time to dry, no time to wash. I was going to film this video yesterday, but I washed my hair in the morning when I woke up at like 10ish, and my hair took like 3 hours to dry. I didn't want to blow dry it because I'm trying to avoid using heat on my hair as I'm curling my hair. I let it air dry and it took 3 hours. Oh, this one's a bit more curly than I would like it to be, so I'm just gonna stretch it out. And now this one's cool, so I'm gonna go back and double check on the pieces. This one can be curled a little bit more. And then I just go back and then recurl the top parts, like the pieces of hair that you can see. Yeah, I'm probably gonna speed through this part because this part's boring and I've run out of stuff to talk about. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young,
Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know. I just wanna know.
Now my straightener is warmed up. I use every time. Sucks living on a main road, but I use the Remington 1 straightener and curling wand. So they're both Remington brand. So this straightener goes up to 370, but I'm just doing my bangs, so I have it on 300, and it's pretty heated up now. I'm just gonna separate my bangs or whatever I want to curl, these parts, and then I separate my hair from that. Okay, so I do the long pieces first usually. So I'll keep like the actual bang part away, and now I'll just do the long piece. So the long piece, I just curl it, but with a straightener instead of a curling wand. So it's like a looser, and I go really slow. I just kind of turn it like this, like that. So it's like, you know, like looser curls. Then I gotta do these strands, and this one's really fast because they're super thin hairs. So I just go super fast. And now for the actual bang part. This part I kind of have to go through a couple times, but I just lift it up, and then I do the same thing. I just go and then kind of twist it, and then that's what it looks like this. So now I'll just repeat it on this side. Just kind of curl it away from the face. That's the key, away from the face. So it frames the face instead of getting into your face. And there you go. And now this bang part, you just kind of go up. And then this one, you kind of have to curl the opposite direction, so this way. This one I had to go over, but you get the gist, right? So for my whatever hand you use, that side you kind of do the opposite, so it goes up, like in and then out. But this you kind of just go in and then kind of in still. I don't know how to explain it. Basically my bangs are done. I kind of don't like it like super perfect because I do like the messy look, as I keep saying to you guys. But yeah, my bangs are done. I'll show you guys like the 3 different hairstyles that I do, which are super simple. You guys can literally get it done in like 5 or 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. The first hairstyle that I do is I just leave it out if I'm feeling lazy, just like this, because the bangs are styled, so it looks fine. The second hairstyle, because it's been so hot, I take one of these clips. I hate tying my hair, so I just kind of take this clip and just clip it back like this. And then the bangs hang out a little, and I like to pull down a couple of strays. It's still really cute and simple and fast. So basically, you just kind of clip it. Or you guys can put it up into a bun, pull down bangs. Honestly, getting curtain bangs is one of the best decisions I've ever made. And this you would tie, but I would rather clip it. So it just kind of looks like this. Super quick, easy, but it looks like you actually tried because the bangs. Okay, so this is the last and final hairstyle that I've been doing a lot actually. I've been doing this hairstyle almost every single day, and it's the braid one from my last video, my makeup video. And this one is really easy as well. You guys don't have to curl your hair to do this one. You guys should leave your hair straight for this one, make it less complicated for yourself. But since I already have my hair curled, might as well. I just separate my bangs or whatever I don't want in the braid. Or you're planning on doing, why did I not think of this earlier? I always start at the back, but that's, I don't know why. You can just bring it to the side and braid straight from the side. This is an easier angle for me to show you guys. But yeah, you just kind of do a French braid all the way. How did I mess this up?
It's what they all say.
And then you just kind of tie it up at the end, and then you have it, a braid. And then your bangs hang out, so it looks super cute still. Yeah, and then sometimes I pull the braid out so it's a little bigger, because I don't like it to be too tight. This is the last hairstyle. I've been doing this one a lot because it's super easy, but it looks super cute. All of them look super cute. But yeah, so this is the most styled hairstyle that I have. or yeah, that you do the most work on. So if you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you guys for watching. I hope some of these hairstyles are useful to you, and if you were debating on getting curtain bangs, this is your sign to do it. Just do it. It made my life so much better. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell right next to it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave.